Today we are tackling a common problem, a finicky mouse wheel that just won't scroll the way you want to do it. Don't worry, this is an easy fix. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Steps to fix mouse wheel scrolling. Head over to your desktop and open the search bar. In the search bar, type in Control Panel. Once the Control Panel window opens, find the View By option and change it to Large Icons for a clearer view. Now scroll down and find mouse icon and double click on it to open your mouse settings. While you are here in the mouse settings, you can optionally adjust the double click speed to your preference. This setting control how fast you need to click twice for it to register as a double click. Now let's focus on the scrolling issue. Find the wheel tab or section within the mouse settings. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on your mouse. Here's where you control the scrolling behavior. Look for options labeled vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. This might use arrows or have a value you can adjust. Try increasing the value for smooth scrolling. A good starting point for vertical scrolling could be around 7 and for horizontal scrolling try 4. Once you have adjusted the scrolling speed to your liking, don't forget to click apply to save the changes. That's all there is to it. With this adjustment, your mouse wheel should now scroll smoothly and precisely. If you have any question or want to share your preferred scrolling speed, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.